In geometric progression, finding sum of the terms of finite series where r is less than 1. So when the ratio is less than 1, we need to apply this formula Sn, sum of n terms, is equals to a into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. Okay, previous one you checked r is greater than 1, now it is r is less than 1, how to apply? So when the series is in decreasing order, so obviously we need to apply this formula because ratio is less than 1, right? Just to apply, the ratio is nothing but the term, second term divided by first term, 300 divided by 600, or third term divided by second term. You'll get the same ratio. That's why it's our GP. Now as per this problem, ratio is equals to 300 divided by 600. So second term divided by first term. 300 divided by 600. You simplify this. 3, 6. Again 3 ones are 3 2s are. So 1 by 2. R is equals to 1 by 2. If you observe, this is the less than 1. Okay, 1 by 2 is less than 1. So we need to apply sum of n terms is equals to a into r power a into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. Just to apply this, you will not get negative answer. That will get the positive. Sum of the series up to 6 terms, value is decreasing. Okay, in this problem, a is the first term, 600, and n is equals to how many terms you have to find out? Up to 6 terms. N is equal to 6. Okay, now as per the problem, S6, sum of the 6 terms. Already we got r is equals to 1 by 2. Yes. Now S6 is equal to sum of the 6 terms is equals to a into 600 into, as per the formula, 1 minus r power n. R is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 power n. So 1 by 2, for this only whole to the power n, 6, divided by 1 minus r. So 1 minus ratio is 1 by 2. Yes, now this we need to simplify. Okay, if you simplify this, you get the sum of the series up to 6 terms in this. 600 plus 300 plus 150. Again is reducing now 75. So this is value you can find out. Let us calculate this. 600 into, within the bracket to simplify first, 1 minus 1 by 2 whole power 6. So 1 power 6 is 1 because 1 into 6 times. Again 2 to the power 6. That means 2 also should multiply 6 times. Okay, 2 to the 4, 16, 32, 64. So 2 to the power 6 is 64. Divided by 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is again 1 by 2. Just do LCM. 2 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. Just simplify more. Okay, 600 into 1 minus 1 by 64. 64 minus 1. So 64 is LCM. 64 minus 1. So 63. Into 1 by 2, no, just take up, it will be reciprocal, 2 by 1. Easy for calculations, you can apply. Okay, 2 ones are 232. Again, 600 into 63 by 32. Simplify more. Just to do cancellations. And it is a 16, 300. Easy calculations you can do. Don't link the 8, 152 table cancelling. Again, it is 475. Okay, so 75 into 63 divided by 4. Just multiply and divide by 4. You'll get the sum of the series up to 6 terms. Just write calculation. 1181.25. You get in decimals. Okay, so this is the number, sum of the series up to 6 terms because value is reducing. 600 plus 300 is 900. 900 plus 150, 1050. But even 6 terms also value will be decreased. So finally get total 1181.25. The main thing is you need to apply formula when r is less than 1 to find out the sum of the terms of finite series. When r is less than 1, Sn is equal to a into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r.